So first we have to add the boilerplate of the HTML, and now I am adding the image element and setting the source path which is boy.png. Look here, I have already an image and I am giving the width 300 pixel and the height is also 300 pixel. That's enough. And let me open it in browser. Let me open. So look here, the image is visible. Give it some style using style property. So we have to select the image and give it some style. So let me add a margin 300 pixels from all side. Look here, the image will be a little bit center. Now I am adding another property which is border radius. I am giving it from top right side, which is 120 pixels. Let me check it is enough or not. So it's good, but I have to change it from 150. Now I am putting this property again because I need also it from bottom left side. Okay, so let's give this and let me check. So it's good. Okay, let me add another property which is box shadow. It is used to shadow for box. So let give it's 10 pixels from x-axis and 10 pixels from y-axis and 10 pixels blur. Okay, and its color will be black, not black. Let me give it like a little bit gray. Okay, that's good. Okay, so let me check. Yeah, it's looking good. Okay, now add another property is border and give I am giving it 1 pixels solid and color width will be white. Now it's looking good. Okay, so we can add one more thing which is hover effects. Okay, let me select image dot hover. Okay, we are adding box shadow. Box shadow will be 15 pixels from x-axis and also y-axis and 10 pixels blur, and color I am copying from it top side and paste it from it here. Okay, so now it's looking good. Let me add one another property is transitions. Okay, transition is used to from basically animations. Okay, so I am giving it from all side is 1 second. Okay, so let me check how it's looking. So it's good, but not more better. Okay, so we use 0.1 second. Now it's looking more good. Okay, so I am adding one another property which is transform. Okay, so let me give the transform property which is a scale, and basically a scale is used to give increase the size of div or any another container or image. Okay, after the applying this property it's looking more beautiful and more good. Okay, so if you liked the video, so please like our video and subscribe our channel for more videos. Okay, that is good. If you need its source code, then I will provide its source code from in description box. Okay, you can download it from description box.